Bonjour chers amis, welcome to Step by Step French Part 2. Dear friends, kindly watch Part 1 of this Step by Step French. Like that in French is called comme ça, comme ça. How do you say it is like that? It is like that. C'est comme ça. C'est comme ça. Kindly follow the first video. You will understand. How do you say it is not like that? It is not like that. It is not is called ce n'est pas. Ce n'est pas. Therefore, it is not like that in French is called ce n'est pas comme ça. Ce n'est pas comme ça. It is not possible for me that way. It's not possible for me that way. How do you say it in French? Think and say. Ce n'est pas possible pour moi comme ça. Ce n'est pas possible pour moi comme ça. I'm sorry. I'm sorry in French is called je regrette. Je regrette. I'm sorry is also called désolé, but here we use je regrette. How do you say I'm sorry, but? Remember, but is called mais in French, M-A-I-S. I'm sorry, but is called je regrette, mais. Je regrette, mais. But is called, how do you say but? Mais, M-A-I-S, mais. I'm sorry, but it is not very comfortable for me that way. I'm sorry, but it is not very comfortable for me that way. How do you say that in French? Je regrette, mais ce n'est pas très confortable pour moi comme ça. Je regrette, mais ce n'est pas très confortable pour moi comme ça. I'm sorry, but it is not acceptable for me that way. How do you say it in French? I'm sorry, but it is not acceptable for me that way. Je regrette, mais ce n'est pas acceptable pour moi comme ça. Je regrette, mais ce n'est pas acceptable pour moi comme ça. It is very remarkable. How do you say it in French? It is very remarkable. Very is called très. C'est très remarquable. C'est très remarquable. How do you say the word considerable in French? Considerable in French is called considérable. Considérable. For today, let's remember up to now. Merci. Thank you very much. À la prochaine.